How to use NFL Sunday Ticket Multiview. So to use NFL Sunday Ticket Multiview, first go ahead and open YouTube or YouTube TV on a supported device like Smart TV, streaming box, or web browser, and then select Multiview option from there. So check your subscription first. You need to activate NFL Sunday Ticket subscription through YouTube or YouTube TV. Prices vary around $480 annually or higher if purchased via Apple. So after that, go ahead and launch the app on a smart TV, streaming device, or web browser. And then go ahead and look for the multi-view option. So multi-view is not yet supported on mobile phones, but you can still watch single streams there. So on the home screen or live game menu, look for the multi-view option and then choose a preset layout. YouTube TV offers customizable multi-view, letting you pick which games to display. Highlight a game to make it the primary audio feed. Switch between games easily using your remote or keyboard. You can resize or rearrange games depending on the device. Watch up to 4 NFL games at once. Perfect for red zone style viewing without missing key plays. Works best on large screens for clarity. And that is how you can basically use NFL Sunday Ticket multi-view.